In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job title to your profile in Slack. This is a simple update, but it can make a big difference in how your teammates recognize you and understand your role at a glance. Keeping your Slack profile up to date helps with communication, especially in larger workspaces where people may not know everyone personally. To get started, open Slack and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This opens the menu where you can access personal settings and profile options. Once that menu appears, click on Profile. This will open your profile view where you can see the information currently associated with your Slack account. If your job title is missing, outdated, or needs to be adjusted, this is the place to update it. Next, look toward the upper right side of the profile panel and click Edit. This opens the profile editing screen, where you can make changes to the visible details that other people in your workspace may see. In the editing view, find the field labeled Title. Click into that field and type in your job title. Make sure you enter the title exactly the way you want it to appear on your profile. For example, you may want to use the official title your company recognizes, or a version that is clear and easy for coworkers to understand. A concise and accurate title usually works best. After you've entered your job title, take a quick moment to review it for spelling, capitalization, and clarity. Since this information may be visible to others in Slack, it's a good idea to make sure it looks professional and matches your current role. When everything looks correct, click Save Changes. This will apply the update to your Slack profile. That's it. Your job title should now appear on your profile, making it easier for others to identify your role and connect with you more effectively. If you ever change positions or want to refine how your role is displayed, you can return to the same profile editing area and update it at any time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly update your Slack profile with the right job title.